free when we go contrary to the norms of society, because he believes if the rod is fed, the child grows. You were such a loving and generous father, always ready to give whatever you had to support the home, because you never liked to see any of us look miserable or sad. Dada, our support, our message to you is very simple. We are grateful. Dada, your exit cannot be filled with any other. For the moment we shared with you will forever remain in our heart. Fare thee well. Goodbye, Kabina. Good night, again. The good Lord grant you eternal rest. Amen.
Tributes by grandchildren. The sudden death of our dear grandfather has brought us to the understanding of that says in Philippians 1 verse 21. Thus, for me to live is Christ, and to die is gain. Today, with sorrow in our hearts and tears dropping on our cheeks, we mourn our dear grandpa. Grandpa, we believe God gave you to us to make lives more complete. The role you played in our childhood days must be cherished. The word that you left in our lives so deep, it will be difficult to fill. Grandpa, we will uphold them forever. Your guidance and love will carry us through the end of our days on earth. Today, as we all witness your send off from the world of sin and wars with tears, we still rejoice in the fact that you will part of the resurrection morning to enter the new Jerusalem, where there will be no sickness, trouble, worries, but a land of true joy, happiness, beauty, and everlasting peace. Grandpa, farewell in love, in sweet by and by. We shall meet on the beautiful soul. When he must be rolled away. Nana, may your soul rest in perfect peace. Amen.
In-laws.
Tribute by in-laws. This translation is in Twi. Enye yen yawo. Wedie enye yen. Ena ensese yedudu kubo yenyem. Nanso tire kronkron akise oba bejane na ne eja ho. Na wone won kunonom ne yen kunonom abeye honam baako enti. Senia ye yirenom ne yen kunonom de eduku abɔ wɔn yem efiri sɛ yen dupɔn kɛse bi atutu. Yen kunu, yen papa, yen nua, yen adamfo, yen dɔfo, yen futufoɔ. Ene wama adeɛ ehia ye. Emre bia edin a yɛde frɛ wo ne ɔben kwabena. Bra. Ya frɛ wo asauda. Sɛ yɛn ene enya kra na sɛ yɛn hunu wa na yɛne agye na yɛni agye. Kwabena yesua enye yi efiri sɛ wanka hwe yankyerɛ yɛn. Sɛ wo kɔkɔda enya wo frɛ yɛn. Sɛ wo sɔre soa. Wo ma yɛn hunu sɛ wa sɔre.